誰でもいけるんですか？
あ、全然、はい。あ、わかりました。
よろしいですか？はい、ありがとう。
OK、ありがとうございます。
King and he asked his men for a magic ring that could serve him for his misery and joy. And so his servants searched, they searched far and wide, but no such ring did the servants find. They had given up, they were out of time and hope. To seeking solace in wise men, as a wise man carved into a ring, this too shall pass.
逆にします。だから、
So the mighty king was quite satisfied with the wise man's ring, though his foolish pride wouldn't let the world sink into his majesty. And as his kingdom grew, so the people cheered and the ring's whisper became hard to hear, while the wealth and health and fame kept fear at bay. To one bright morning in the courtyard, the king was standing to address the mass, when the light did fall upon his ring, and the king recalled the prophecy. This too shall pass. Would be left standing, and every mountain be laid low at last. But the king would bow as he greeted death, and he'd sing out loud with his fleeting breath, this too shall pass.
で、空いた手でピースをお願いします。このぐらいになる。オッケー、わかりました。
ありがとうございました。
2人じゃないと無理でしたね。このプランは。